Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I've got a loaded up Camaro right here. This thing's got functional Cowl induction, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning, has all the factory gauges, the clock, has power windows, has deluxe houndstooth interior, has the exterior trim group, the spoilers, the stripes, 15-inch rally wheels. This thing's loaded with factory options. If you visit volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, and get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos on these cool cars, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this 69 Camaro. I don't know if I mentioned, it's also a 4-speed with a posi. So lots of good things going on for this car. I'm going to call it a very good car. It's an older restoration, but it's a good, straight, honest car. It's just not fresh right out of the restoration booth, but it's a really good car. Starting with the underneath, the floors are pristine. As far as I can tell, they look like it's all original metal and they're spotless. The floor pans, the inner rockers, the lower quarters, where they have the little rubber drain plugs, it's still there. The factory spot welds and seams are all clean and crisp, so I think it's clean original floors. The front end, not brand new, but it's all been rebuilt. The bushings, the ball joints, all that sort of stuff has been replaced. It's got a nice dual exhaust system with a crossover pipe as the transverse muffler and chrome tailpipes. It has a correct 355 12-bolt posi in the back. It has a period correct M20 Muncie 4-speed close ratio. It's got a new clutch, new Hurst linkage. The motor, according to the previous owner, was recently rebuilt. It's also a correct, not the original number matching, but it's a correct 1969 or 70 actually, 350 motor. On the bottom is clean, the starter, the oil filter, all that looks good. So under the car is real nice. It has disc brakes up front. The body is really clean too. I was inside the trunk a minute ago and it does look like they replaced a full quarter panel. They did it at the factory seams. There's no splices, cuts. The other one looks like it's original. And everything fits up nice and square and flush. It's really straight. You look down both sides, you look across the roof and the hood and the trunk, they're straight. Doors fit real nice. And it's smooth all along the bottom. I didn't see any bubbles or feel any bubbles, all smooth. And it's an older paint job, and it's holding up really well. There's no problem areas. There's no, rust popping or patches showing or cracking. With that said, it's not a perfect paint job. I see $25,000 paint jobs. It's not one of those. There's like a dimple or I'm trying to find something to show you, but it's not a perfect paint job, but it's nice. The chrome is all nice. As the light hits it, I can see slight wear on it, so I can't say any of it's brand new, but it's all real nice, fits nice. We got the spoilers. The stripes are painted on. They're smooth to the touch. You don't feel them. The glass is all tinted, all dark tint on the glass. The vinyl top looks like it's excellent. All the trim, I can't say brand new, but it's all been replaced. It's straight, it's shiny, but it might have a minor dimple or minor abrasion. The exterior trim package included the moldings here, and these louvers. The 15-inch wheels do look like they have all new trim, and the BF Goodrich tires look new. Door handles have a little bit of wear. The mirrors look new. The windshield looks original. It's got a couple minor little nicks in the glass. Up front, the grille, the bumper, the spoiler, again, all very good. So under the hood, same thing. It's all very nice. It's honest. It's proper, but it's not fresh, wow, detailed, best engine compartment at the show award. But look what it's got to offer. a functional Cowl induction system. Most cars just have the hood. This has the air cleaner, and it has the wire running up to the electric flapper door in the hood. It has the hood insulation. The air conditioning's been updated with 134 Freon. Like I said, power steering, power brakes. It has an aluminum GM intake with a dual feed Holley. They did put an HEI ignition system on there. Stock exhaust manifolds with the little heat shields around the spark plugs. This is a factory, I think it's code 69 Cortez Silver, and it's a factory-born black houndstooth deluxe interior. Both two desirable features, and I was surprised to see it. That was on the tag. That's the way it came. Trunk compartment, solid. It's got a nice mat. The weather strip might be original. There's a part number on it right here. It's got the stickers. Someone did add a power antenna. Comes with a car cover. So again, like around the edges here, it's not pristine, but it's very nice. Deluxe interior includes the molded armrest. There's nick on the edge here. They always nick because they hit here when it closes. There's a little nick there. The seat upholstery is real nice. The driver's seat, the cushion's maybe a little worn. You sit in it and it's not new and firm. We'll get right back to that. But in here, the shroud, the fans, the wiring, the washer bottle, all of that looks proper. It's got the finned aluminum valve covers. I don't know if I mentioned that. The battery secured the way it should be. Fuel pump looks new. Alternator looks new. It's got the right brackets holding the hoses here. Just very proper. I think it's a good, honest car. Door jambs are nice. Here's what I'm talking about on the edge of the door panel here. It's probably the original door panel, and it's worn. It hits here, and over time, that's what happens on all of them. Headliner's real nice. Dome light works. Has all the original seat belts. The light at the back of the console works. The dash pad's real nice. The vents are original, so they're a little bit dirty. The center console has the gauges. Has the 8 grand tachometer. And it has the clock. The clock is ticking. It's working. Look at that. Power windows it has here. Key has to be on. They do work. I'll show you in a second. It's also a tilt wheel. The steering wheel is a little bit of wear on it, probably original. I see a lot of original stuff on the car. Again, I think it's a good original piece. So it's not junk. Not by any means is it junk, but it's just not pristine, but it's nice. Keep repeating myself, but just trying to paint the picture of what it is. Yeah, it's got a nice idle. Here's that power window, I promise works. Door shuts nice. Motor's quiet. Motor's smooth. You do not feel it. It's just smooth, running the way it should. Door shuts nice on this side. Oh, I love that cam that's in there. That sounds sweet. You got a really great car here. Don't take all them options lightly. This thing's loaded to the gills with desirable features and colors and just a clean, straightforward car. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, they can help answer those. They can also help with all the paperwork, delivery, financing. That's at volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on that bell icon and you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.